Hi, welcome to my channel Bosha Second Innings. Now, in the present days, the plastic has become a big pollution, and in landfill, it takes 1,000 years to biodegrade. It is a need of that time to replace plastics with the biodegradable substances like paper, cloths, wood, leather, etc. Though leather will take around 50 to 60 years to biodegrade during the landfill, it is better than the plastic, where plastic takes thousands of years to biodegrade. Certain type of plastics are not biodegradable at all, like polystyrene derivatives. So what we do, we should start now, stop plastic use in certain cases, and in the household if it starts, then automatically the consumption of plastic will reduce. Let us see what 10 things we can immediately stop from plastic and we can change over to biodegradable material. Number one is the cotton cloth bags, which we are using to buy daily vegetables, procurement of groceries, etc. This can be used again and again. The second is the cloth umbrellas. The cloth umbrellas can be used both in summer as well as in the rainy season. Number three is canvas shoes or the cloth shoes with rubber sole or the wooden sole. The rubber sole and wooden sole in landfill may take 13 to 15 years to degrade, much lesser than the plastic. Fourth is wooden vegetable cutter pad. This can be used. A thicker pad will give a life of more than 5 to 6 years. More than that, the plastic pad, cutting pad, when we use, fine particles of plastic may enter into our digestive system, which may cause the complications. Fifth is, more commonly in every household we use plastic toys. This should be stopped, and we can give the wooden toys to play with, soft wooden toys to play for our children. So we can definitely move for soft wooden toys for the children, or even we can go for natural rubber toys. Sixth, daily use of the brooms made from natural broom grass or coconut leaf sticks. This will be biodegradable much faster than plastic. So we can replace plastic brooms with these natural grass brooms. Number 7 is the coir mat, which we use day in, day out while coming in and going out of the house. These coir mats are also biodegradable much faster than the plastic or rubber. Number 8 is the paper light shades. With decorative we get it. So during the festival time you use lot of plastic lampshades, we can replace with the paper lampshades. Beautiful, now we are getting in very beautiful colors and attractive colors. This will save again our landfill or the earth pollution. Number 9 is the we can replace the plastic pens with a steel or any other metal pens, so that it can last long. Every time or every day, crores of pens are getting rejected, and which is going into the garbage, or which is destroying the land, polluting the land and river, etc. So this can be, plastic pens can be replaced by the metal pens. Number 10, last but not the least, is the water bottles which we are commonly using nowadays. This can be replaced with steel water bottles and also clay water bottles, which is better, far better than the plastic water bottles. So this is necessary because during landfill we are unable to biodegrade the plastic for thousands of years, and the animals, birds and the fishes which takes it, they die, and also they are subjected to various kind of diseases. To prevent our earth and to save the environment and other birds, fishes and animals, we should stop using the plastic and we should take a much better alternative like papers and cloths, wood, rubber, etc. Thank you very much for watching my video. Till my next video, bye bye, see you. If you like this video, share and subscribe.